What's up, everyone? We're here to do this vlog for y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about a couple key things with extra minutes. I think before we do that, though, I think we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a little icebreaker question. Allow you guys to get to know us a little bit more. I know we kind of keep stuff strictly business, but I think we are gonna go ahead and have a little fun with this one. So you wanna go ahead and get a question for him, baby?
Yeah. Okay, this is our question bucket. Let me pick. You want to pick?
You can pick.
Okay.
Ladies first.
All right. Got the question. All right. Tell us about an early childhood memory.
Ooh. Here's one I got, but if you want to go first, you can say.
I don't have.
You don't have one? Okay, so I'll say mine first. Okay, so